Tinubu reacts to suit seeking to sack Ibas. Okay. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the Attorney General of the Federation, Lateef Fagbemi, were noticeably absent in court on Thursday for a case, imagine, challenging the appointment of retired Vice Admiral Ibok Ete Ekwe Ibas as the sole administrator of Rivers State. As in nobody, the court, it has become a thing of play, like they are just jokers there. You have a case in court and you were absent. Why? Because you are the president of the state. I think he's in France. I don't think he's even in Nigeria to even start with. Every AK market day, France. Before you know it, France, he has gone to France. Who knows? France is our capital now. Federal capital, Nigeria, France, that's our capital. The suit filed by Abuja lawyer John Mary Gideobi argues that the appointment is unconstitutional and seeks to have Ibas removed from the position, claiming only elected officials can govern a state under Nigeria's constitution. Despite the absence of legal representatives for Tinubu and the AGF, there was no even legal representative. That means they don't even take the man serious. Like, you are wasting your time. They call the president to court. That means the governors too that are calling him out to court, he will not also go. Do you get? He will not. He did not even have any legal representatives. Okay, let's assume that you're not going to be around. At least all your special advisors that used to talk for you, that used to do things for you, at least you're supposed to send one of them. You did not send anybody. It is really. Attorneys from Lagos, Bayelsa, Taraba, and Edo State were present, while Zamfara and Bauchi State had yet to respond. The judge, Justice James Omotosho, rescheduled the hearing to June 11. Why June 11? I don't understand. We are still in April. There is May. You did not put May. You had to skip May and go to June. So how many months is remaining for the Ibas to finish? He entered in March, April, May, June, July, August, September. Okay, still September or so before he leaves. Okay, June. No wahala. And order that fresh notices be sent to all parties involved. You people, the judge and the courts, they don't take people serious again. You send notice to people to come to court and they refuse to come. And then there's no sanction. There's nothing. There's no punishment. They don't see una finish now. They know that people, this country, it is well. Gideobi is also asking the court to permanently stop the president from appointing sole administrator to any state, stating that only specific constitutional processes can remove an elected governor or deputy. Yes, because he's going to do this in another state very soon. As he has declared it in Rivers State, he's still going to go to another state and do it. Probably Bayelsa, probably Kano, we don't know. But people are envisaging that he's still going to declare a state of emergency in another state, suspend the governor and impute another sole administrator because there is something that they are looking for. He insists the president overstepped his powers by suspending the elected governor and deputy of Rivers State on March 18 and replacing them with Ibas. The lawyer argues that such actions threaten democracy and the rule of law and is arguing the court to uphold the constitution to prevent what he calls a dangerous precedent. It is well. I really just hope that you are safe. They don't come for you. They don't go and do anything to you because these people, they can do and undo. Friday, Aigboman says, why June when you all know that his term expires after 6 months? I think it's in September. I don't think it is August because if they entered in March, are going to start counting from April, May, June, July, August, September. So it is September. Well, June is not bad. Let's see if after in June they are going to come and they are not going to postpone it again. That's how they are going to. That's my problem with the court. They are always adjourning to unreasonable dates. Like, why? Why can't you adjourn to tomorrow? Why can't you adjourn to next week? Why can't you adjourn to next month? Why June? It's always so annoying. By that June, now when they want to adjourn, because they are going to adjourn, even if they come, that's when they will now be reading their whatever to them. After they now read it, they will now say adjourned again. Maybe they will now adjourn to August. It is well. SAG Godso says, the presiding judge has already told you where he belongs with his body language exactly. By adjourning the case to June 11, so what happens to dates in May? Ask me, oh, today is 11, Abi. Today is 11. You can adjourn to April 20 something, April 30. You did not adjourn. Okay, May is there. You did not adjourn to May. You are adjourning to June. Now what? So what happens to the date in May? That judge and two others are APC judges remote control by Wike and Jagaban. Exactly. They will be judged by God and history. Amen. No. There's something that they can adjourn to 2027. These people, you don't know them. The judge, they are also a party to this. So the court is already a place of jokers. Like, you just know that you are wasting your time carrying these people to court. It's a proper waste of time. Clement Obioma says the judge will kill the hearing with long adjournment. Now so look at that. But history must be made for those behind obstruction of the rule of law. History must be made though, because how can? May dey there, you know adjourn till May. After that June now, they will still adjourn till his 6 months expires. It is well. Ebenezer Oyetakin says, when the security of a state began to threaten the national security, the target economic bedrock of a nation, state of emergency becomes right. That's the agenda now. They are trying to cause problem in some places and then say, oh, there's problem here. We are going to declare a state of emergency. Well, it's just well. Alfred Carlo says, why is AG running away from facing the court to explain how it is justifiable for Supreme Court to pronounce autonomy of elected LGA Council chairman, but didn't support same to elected governor and state House of Assembly members? God is watching and will show his face when it's time. Hypocrites in government, very, very big one. Even that Lateef Fagbemi that knows, Attorney General of the Federation, are supporting what is not good. We definitely know that what the president did, it is not constitutional. He knows, but he just decided to just keep quiet and supported it. He actually supported it and said, oh, it was okay for the president to do that. So going to court is like, you're wasting your time. Says, well, Paulo Glo Fortress says, political assassination is common in Nigeria. It's only investigation that will prove the allegation is right or wrong. Former Governor Konde said that it was a government who killed Justice Bola Ige. Now. Kabade Bosalami says they will adjourn it to the expiration of the 6 months. By that time, they must have established their plan exactly. See the way they are even rushing itself. The way that man, the Ekwe Ibas, what was his name? The way he's just doing things, appointing people, doing all sorts of things. You know that they have a plan. Says, well, my listeners, over to you. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.